Zaid was a young businessman who had built his clothing business with hard work and passion. In the beginning, everything was going smoothly. Then he brought in an old friend, Farhan, as a partner. Farhan was careless and worse, he was secretly stealing money. Zaid ignored the red flags, thinking, "He's my friend." In just a few months, losses piled up, debts increased, and customers started disappearing. Eventually, Zaid faced the truth and removed Farhan from the business. Around the same time, a quiet, honest man named Salim came looking for a job. Zaid hired him for small tasks. But soon, Salim's dedication and intelligence started showing. He fixed the systems, reduced waste, and rebuilt customer trust. Within 6 months, Zaid's business not only recovered, it started making more profit than ever before. Moral: not every friendship belongs in business, and honest people are the foundation of true success.